In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export a Monday.com board, dashboard, or view as a PDF. To get started, open Monday.com and navigate to the exact board, dashboard, or view you want to export. Before moving on, take a moment to make sure you're looking at the right content and that everything you want included is visible on screen. This is especially helpful if you're preparing something for sharing, printing, or keeping as a record. Once you're in the right place, go to the board menu or the dashboard menu, depending on what you're exporting. These menus usually contain the main actions available for that page. So this is the best place to begin when looking for export related tools. Open the menu carefully and scan through the options. Next, look for anything labeled export, print, or download. The wording may vary slightly depending on whether you're working from a board, a dashboard, or a specific view, but the goal is the same. You're trying to find the option that lets you create a file version of what you're seeing. If you see a PDF option directly, that's usually the fastest and simplest choice. If PDF is available, go ahead and select it. Monday.com may begin preparing the file right away, or it may prompt you to confirm the export. In either case, follow the on-screen instructions and wait for the file to generate. Depending on the amount of data on the page, this may take a few moments. If you don't see a PDF option, don't worry. You can still create one using your browser's built-in print feature. Open the browser's print option from the current page. This will bring up your print settings where you can choose how the page is saved or printed. In the print destination settings, select Save as PDF. This tells the browser to create a PDF file instead of sending the page to a physical printer. Before saving, it's a good idea to quickly preview the layout to make sure the content appears clearly and that nothing important is cut off. Finally, save the PDF to your preferred folder. Then open the exported file and review it. Check that the correct board, dashboard, or view was captured, and confirm that the formatting looks the way you expect. If anything looks incomplete, you can return to Monday.com, adjust the view, and repeat the export process. And that's how to export a Monday.com board, dashboard, or view as a PDF.